Hey everybody, what's up? It's Emily here at Curbside Herbs. Today we're going to be using our olive oil, which you see here, and our very lovely lavender, which smells absolutely amazing. And we have the lavender that we have been drying since summer, and what we want to do is we want to extract the oils from the lavender. So what I have here, as I said, my olive oil, and I have my sterile jars. I will show you how to sterilize your jars right now. As you can see here, I have my jar in the oven. I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees, and once the oven is heated up, then you stick your jar or jars on a pan in the oven, and you bake them at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. You can also sterilize your jars in the dishwasher, but since I'm only doing one jar tonight, it doesn't make any sense to run the dishwasher for one jar, so I'm doing it in the oven. While you have your jar in the oven sterilizing, you're going to want to sterilize your lids and your bands as well. So I put them in a pot of boiling water for about 10 minutes, and I let them boil away and sit for about 10 minutes while the jar is cooking. Now, after everything is sterilized and your hands are washed, because you don't want to do this with dirty hands, you don't want to get germs or anything on what you're doing and risk it going bad. Take everything off. I have my cutting board here so I don't spill anything on my nice tablecloth. And then here is our olive oil. Olive oil is a great thing to use because it acts as a moisturizer. Olive oil is great for the skin. It has vitamin E and vitamin K. Lavender is also great for the skin, and it's been known that it might help you sleep. Another thing about lavender is it's big in the beauty industry. A lot of makeup people like lavender in their makeup, besides that it smells great, but as I said, it's good for the skin. It has many benefiting properties to it. So what we're going to do is, we have our jar, and we have our sterile jar, and we have our sterile lids. I've already started taking off the lavender, so I'm just going to very gently rub my fingers together over the flowers and get them off of the stem. So just bear with me for a minute while I do that. As I said, what we would like to do is we're going to infuse all of this together, and we're going to extract the lavender oil because we want to make lavender soap in a couple of weeks. And this is going to take a couple of weeks to extract because we want to, once we get it all done, we want to put it on a windowsill where you're going to get light and let it soak up some sunlight, get the energy from the sun for a couple of days, and then you want to set it off to the side somewhere where you can see it so you can keep an eye on it. Because every day you're going to want to shake it just a little bit, not a hard shake, but just a slosh, 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 back and forth just a little bit. And you want to keep an eye on it, make sure there's no bacteria growing, no mold, and it doesn't look punky at all. Okay, as you can see here, I've gotten most of my flowers off my lavender plant. And here they all are in my thing. Should have brought up my little thing so I could dump them in, but my little funnel. But anyway, so I'm going to dump them here in the jar. Excuse me. I'm trying my best not to spill them, even though it can be hard because I forgot to bring up my funnel, so I apologize. Alright, I have my excuse me. I have my lavender here in a jar. I probably could have gotten more to put in, but I'm going to stick with this for now. And then I want to put my oil in the jar, but I don't want to fill it all the way. I want to leave like half an inch of headspace so it has room to expand. And since I'm working with dry herbs, I want to use probably the two finger method, which is you just put two fingers in, and then when you take them out, then you'll have your proper amount of spacing at the top. But some people do that. I just like to leave like half an inch to a quarter of an inch, depending on what I'm infusing, or extracting, sorry. So I'm just going to pour my olive oil in, and give it a second to sink down to the bottom. And as you can see, I have my olive oil here. I have it all here in the jar. And then I want to take my lid and my band and screw that on nice and tight. And then just, as I said, you don't have to shake it, really hard or anything. Just a couple little swashes back and forth. And you want to do this once or twice a day, a couple of times, just get everything all mixed up, and that way the olive oil has a chance to get into all the little pockets of the flowers and all around every flower to get as much oil out as possible. You want to leave it in the sunlight for 2 to 4 days, and then you can leave it up to 3 or 4 months if you want to get as much of the oils out as possible. Sometimes if I need it right away, then I'll only leave it for 3 or 4 weeks. It's all based on your preference. So here you have it. Now we're just going to leave this in the sun and for a couple of days, and you'll see the oil start to get extracted from the lavender. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Like us on Facebook, like us on YouTube, or on Pinterest. Email us at emilyscurbsideherbs@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.